Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of our TypeScript series, and in this video we're going to be making a meme command. Not necessarily just a meme command, you can generate any images of cats, dogs, whatever it is, you name it. But by default, it's going to be a meme command. So let's create a new folder in our commands called fun, and we're going to do meme.ts. Now, as usual in our other episodes, we import our command and application command registers from the Sapphire framework. Just registry. We want to import our type of chat input command interaction from discord.js. And we want to import our apply options from decorators. And now we can define command.options. I believe it's like this. Yep. So the command name is going to be meme, and description going to be generate a random meme. And then we can do our export default class meme command extends the files command. Right, so next we need to register the command as we usually do. So to do so, we're going to do... I've actually forgot how you register the command for a second, hang on. Public override register application commands. Okay. Public override register application command, which takes the registry. Okay, no errors, that's good. Okay, so now we just register it. So register chat input command. So first we want to do set name, which is going to be this.name. Set description, which will be this.description, and then we can add a string option. And this string option is where we're going to specify a subreddit, because these memes are coming from Reddit. So set name, let's say subreddit, and set description, subreddit to generate from. And it's not going to be required because we're just going to default to meme. This is HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting provider. They provide a range of affordable VPS plans to suit your hosting needs. And it gets even more affordable. Use code REVELATIONS at checkout, 30% off every month. If you're still in doubt, look at all these happy customers. And then it's chat input run, isn't it? Yep. So public async chat input run, and we're gonna have our interaction like so. And then from here we're gonna do const subreddit equals interaction.options.getString subreddit or meme, like so. And now what we're going to do, we're going to use the fetch module, which is why we have an asynchronous function. So we're going to do const response equals await fetch. We'll be fetching from this, and we're going to pass encode URL component with subreddit inside. And that should work. If the response is not okay, we're just going to simply reply ephemeral true content. There was an error fetching the response. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay. So now we're going to want our data, which is going to be await response.json. I'm going to create us an interface for this, so we have IntelliSense. It's good practice as well. So we'll just do mean response. So it returns a post link, which is a string, a subreddit, which is a string, a title, which is a string, a URL, which is a string, NSFW is a boolean, so you can use that for NSFW checks later on. Author is a string. Up, so that's going to be upvotes, is a number. And then preview is a string array. And then we can do, I think we wrap it in another set of parentheses as mean response. If I hover over data, yeah, that's a mean response now. So now we can just do return interaction dot reply, and we want content to be data.url. As you can see, I got IntelliSense here because of that interface I just made. Let's make this slightly better. Let's make this into an embed. So embed equals new embed builder. That would have to be imported up here in discord.js. I just hit enter, so it imported it automatically. So let's do set title, and we're going to use data.title. Then we're going to do set footer text, and we're going to say it by data.author. How you what? I want a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Alright, I'm not going to put the author there. Instead, I'm going to put the upvotes, so data.ups. And then we can do add field for the author. Oh, let's add fields. So that's an array. So name is going to be author. Value is going to be data.author. Yeah, that's good. Then we can do set image, which is going to be data.url. And that should be good. And we'll just simply return or send the embed. So return interaction.reply, embeds, pass our embed through, and that's all we need. So let's go ahead and test. So we're going to do TSC and node. Alright, so now we're in the testing area. We're going to go ahead and do /mean, which should by default return our mean. Magic does exist as the author, 229 likes. Okay, that's demonetized. I'm not even monetized, I don't think. Well, no, I'm not monetized. Let's specify a subreddit of cat. Let's hope I don't get something weird like that again. My boyfriend found a cat outside at work. We're trying to figure out what to call her. Oh, that's a little kitten. Yeah, as you can see, it works. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.